Good morning, dear student. We are solving the assignment of Unit First, the Fun the Head. In this class, we are solving thinking about language in 8 first adverbs. Dear student, the definition. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, another word verb, or an adjective. It modifies any part of a speech except noun, pronoun, and identification interjection. Dear student, we can form adverb by adding ly to adjectives, not spelling not when an adjective ends in y. The y changes to I when you add ly to form an adverb. For example, angry, and the word angry ends in y, and y changes to I and we add ly to make an adverb and it becomes angrily. Dear student,
read this sentence taken from the story. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly 1 month because the history sector had blanked out completely. The word complete is an adjective. When you add ly to it, it became an adverb. Dear student, completely, which is adverb, but the word complete is an adjective. When we add ly to it, it becomes an adverb. Dear student, first one, find the sentences in the lesson which have adverb given in the box below. Fully, softly, completely, lawfully, carefully, differently, quickly, or nonchalantly. Dear student, when you see ly added word, they are adverbs. And dear student, the answer is sentences having these adverbs are as follows: fully, and it was fully fun. Chapter number first, para first. Softly, until her mother and taken her head softly. Completely, the history sector had completely blanked out. Loftily, he added loftily, carefully, pronouncing the word carefully. Differently, each kid has to be taught differently. Quickly, I didn't say I didn't like it, said Maji quickly. Nonchalantly, it may be said nonchalantly. And dear student, next question, now use these adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentence below. Dear student, the report must be read to so that performance can be improved. Dear student, from above we use here adverb carefully. The answer is first, we will use carefully. At the interview, Samir answered our questions loftily, sagging soldier. Next, third, we all behave when we are tired or hungry. Differently, the teacher shook her head softly when Ravi lied to her. I forget about it completely. When I complimented Revati on her success, she just smiled, nonchalantly turned away. Next, 16, the president of the company is awfully busy and will not be able to meet you. Next, I finished my work quickly so that I could go out to play. Dear student, these are the answer. Dear student, next question is make adverb by form these adjectives: angry, and it becomes an adverb as angrily, happy, happily. Dear student, in these words ends in y, and y changes to I and ly is added. So angrily, happily, merely, y is dropped and ly is added simply, easily, noisily, tidily, and gloomily.